my privilege. That it's my opportunity also to share my views on is gender sensitization and work-life balance. You know, the women issues, particularly working women issues, and this is the subject which HR has assigned me. Yes, in advance, I wish you all the lovable daughters, wonderful daughters, loving sisters, beautiful wives, and awesome mothers. We all are. And above all, we are so committed employees. It doesn't mean that men are not committed, but women are so committed. You all may agree with me. And it is not my statement. It is the statement given by the people in higher positions after observing the commitment of women in employment. Is the status of women. We start with any talk on women issues. We start with status of women. If we see the status of women in Vedas, Vedas are Apaurishayas, unwritten, which means. Okay. And in Vedic period, women are really respected and honored. Why? Because you can see the certain pictures of Mahalakshmi and Vishnu. Lakshmi was there at the Hrudayam, or part of the very near to his heart, Vishnu. But at later stage, we may observe that her place is at feet of God. Yeah, it is changed. That is the thing. But the present situation, how the situation it is deteriorated. If we see if we see the prosperity of the women and the women in the greater positions, women is in one way she has been proving herself in every field of life. Maybe in education, maybe in IT sector, startups, banking sector, insurance sector, what not, even space, Kalpana Chawla. So everywhere, this is the known facts, everybody knows.
Thank you, sir.